Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, finally, Samsung's mysterious Galaxy S25 Slim smartphone was officially spotted for the first time. According to the latest news, Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim clears the first certification, proving it's more than just a rumor. Until this point, there have only been rumors about it, but now we finally have confirmation that the Galaxy S25 Slim definitely exists, and it's coming in the second quarter of 2025. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. It has a separate timeline from the rest of its S25 siblings. The Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. A few days ago, a Korean website revealed that Samsung would add a mysterious fourth model to the Galaxy S25 lineup, and that this smartphone would be thinner compared to the other Galaxy S25 models. Now, we have some official details to confirm the accuracy of this information. Galaxy S25 Slim is now registered on the GSMA IMEI index for smartphones. So there's finally an official model number, SM-S937U, for this phone. From what we understand, this could be a US variant. SM-S973 will probably be a designator for the global S25 Slim. It's not surprising that Samsung would make such a move after learning that Apple will announce a Slim model. The brand has previously announced Slim versions of some of its smartphones. They say the hardware inside the S25 Slim will be the same as the standard S25, but probably fitted in a relatively slimmer chassis. The same formula that Z Fold SE followed after the launch of the standard Z Fold 6. Now, Samsung has given us no reason to doubt its ability to make thinner handsets. After all, the Z Fold Slim Edition is about 4.9 mm thin when unfolded, so they might also do a pretty good job with the next Samsung's future flagship. Some say that the Galaxy S25 Slim will test the waters for the S26 design and could become a standard measurement for the future. Other than that, we hear more reports about the S25 Slim taking over for the Fan Edition lineup because it failed to yield the intended growth. This mysterious smartphone's official launch date has been confirmed as Q2 2025, and we can definitely say that the special Galaxy S25 model will be introduced between April and May next year. The fact that Google Pixel 9a and iPhone SE4 models will be introduced in the same time frame will show us what Samsung can do in this tough competition. We don't know the specifications of the Galaxy S25 Slim yet, but in this video, we officially confirm the existence of a mysterious Galaxy S25 Slim model. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.